The smell of fresh bread is pure happiness. Come with me, let's bake this soft sugar bread at home. From simple ingredient to something beautiful, let's bake soft and fluffy sugar bread together. I'm adding, this is our butter here. I'm adding our sugar. I'm adding our milk powder. This is our egg. I'm adding my lukewarm water to mix it. So I'm adding a pinch of salt. I'm adding vanilla powder. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of dry yeast together. This is a Ghana sugar bread I'm preparing, Yeah. So I'm mixing them together. I'm adding a little half teaspoon of baking powder. I added half teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of yeast. I added a little nutmeg to get a good smell. I will add my flour. The ingredients I will list them on the description box and the comment section too. I will leave it there so that you can see how I prepare my Ghana sugar bread. So now we mix them. So I'm mixing them now. If you are not comfortable, you can use your hand to do it. You can wear a gloves or you can use machine to make your bread. Mixing them. Informa, yeah. I wanna marry you. So I'm still kneading the bread. So I will let it proof for 1 hour. Then we'll shape it. You can see that our bread is proof. You see? I did not roll it. Any style you want to do it, you are free to do it. If you are going to get the shape you want, you are free to make it in such a way you get a nice bread. So I'll place it here. You can use rolling pin to do it. If you, the way I'm doing mine, you will not feel okay. You are free to use me. I don't buy bread though. I always create my own bread. So this is our first sugar bread we have done. This is a simple way to do my Ghana sugar bread. So we egg wash the top. Now I'm coming to egg wash it. I'm using egg and milk, yeah, and a little drop of honey, yeah, to egg wash my bread. Oh. So this is how I do my sugar bread in a simple way. I don't stress myself. Me, I don't buy bread though. Hey, why should I buy bread whilst I can prepare my bread? But when many people are around, I do buy bread outside, yeah, because not every day you get the strength. Okay, so now the oven is already heated. You will put into the oven it goes. Trust the process. Something amazing is about to happen. Guide me, oh my great Redeemer, pilgrim through this barren land. I am weak, but you are mighty. Hold me with your powerful hand. Bread of heaven, feed me now and evermore. Feed me now and evermore. Thank you for watching. Sometimes you just have to wait. Growth happens quietly, just like this bread. Look at the softness. That's what patience and love can create. Remember, no matter how slow things feel, you are growing, rising, and becoming something beautiful, just like this bread. So this is our sugar bread. It's so soft. Me, I don't buy bread though. I don't buy bread. So soft. Love the bread. I just love. So soft. This one I cannot finish. Golden on the outside, soft on the inside, just like strength and kindness. Never underestimate small beginnings. With time, care, and patience, you will rise into something beautiful. Thank you for watching. God bless you.